slab roller. It's a really expensive machine, really simple to use. If you feel like you get stuck or the clay is about to hit the rollers or you've made a mistake, I will never be mad at you. Just call me over and say, Miss Pace, I think I messed up. Okay, just don't move forward. Let me help you fix it. So when you guys use the slab roller, it's set to 3/8 of an inch, which is a good thickness for this. You want to have a little slack at the end. Now that doesn't matter if it's this end or this end, because we're going to do opposites every other person. There's a lot of you guys here, so little slack at the end. You're going to open up this canvas. Somebody can go here, somebody can go here, so we can actually do two at once. Since it's just me right now, I'm going to put my clay there. Think of it as a sandwich. Bread, whatever you like in your sandwich. You're going to put the bread over the top. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Nice and clean. I never know which way to turn the crank because it's going to be opposite every other time. You're going to help it start a little bit. And then you just do that. And then you have a perfect slab. So you need to make sure that we burnish out the canvas texture. Canvas texture in 3D2 is unacceptable.